I've had my Singer sewing machine for a couple of years now and I love it. I bought it from Hobbycraft and I think it's an absolutely fantastic entry-level sewing machine. It is the Singer Promise and it is model number 1408. We're going to take a quick overlook at the principal parts of the sewing machine. First up, we have a handle. Always handy if you need to transport your sewing machine around. At the back here, we have two spool pins. These are used for holding your thread whilst you're sewing, and they are also used when you are winding a bobbin. At the side here, we have the hand wheel, and if we twist the wheel, this lowers and lifts the needle. At the top here, we have the bobbin winding spindle and the bobbin stopper, and both of these are used for when you're winding your own bobbins. At the front here, we have the thread tension dial, and this is used for altering the tension of the thread should you need to. At the back here, we have the bobbin thread guide, and this is used to regulate the tension of the thread when you are winding your own bobbin, and you would put your thread on the bobbin spool, you'll wind it through, and it will wind the bobbin over on this side. At the front here, we have the thread take-up guide, and this is used to hold the thread when it is being threaded to go through to the needle. The front part of the machine here is called the faceplate. At the front here we have the pattern selector guide, and this allows you to change the style of stitches you wish to use. At the front here we have the reverse sewing lever. This is used at the start and end of sewing just to do a secure stitch, and it reverses the stitching. At the side here, this is the thread cutter, and this is useful for when you've finished your projects, you've removed it from under the needle and you wish to cut the thread. This is the presser foot lifter. This allows you to lower the presser foot when you start sewing and lift it up when you have finished. Here we have the presser foot. This is the most common foot used for stitching and can be changed depending on the projects that you are doing. And underneath there we have the needle plate. This part here is the removable extension table. It can be removed, and you can buy alternative tables that would go onto the side that could give you more room. And inside there, it is the accessory storage compartment, and these are the accessories that the sewing machine comes with, which I will discuss in length in the next video. Behind the accessory storage compartment lives the bobbin casing, and this is where you will place and change your bobbin for sewing. Here we have the power and light switch, and below we have the main plug socket, and this controls the speed of your sewing depending on how much pressure you apply. And finally we have the main plug socket which powers the machine. Thank you very much for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video.